What's up guys, welcome back. Today guys, I wanna show you how to fix black screen on OBS. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. All you need to do guys, just go right click on OBS Studio and go here run as administrator. Open it. Just find you all display capture like me, go right click and go here remove. After you remove, you will see this black screen. Just go add here plus on your source. Click here display capture and you will see add new display capture. Click on it and you will see automatic, leave this on display, select your monitor resolution, just like me. And you will see your desktop, go here OK, lock your display capture and you fix black screen in OBS. And that's it all guys for this video, how to fix black screen in OBS. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.